Hi everyone, in this short video I'll show you how to quickly create a meditation on any topic you're interested in using AI. First, open any neural network on your browser. For example, I'm using free version of ChatGPT. Next, in here, paste the universal prompt that I've prepared for you. You'll find it in the description below this video. In here, paste the prompt. Click the arrow. Here we go. Then type specific goal or intention would you like to focus on this meditation. An example, I write releasing self-judgment. Then press enter. And that's it. The neural network creates an exclusive unique meditation just for you. It's super easy. I'll be truly happy if my tutorial is helpful to you. Thanks for watching and press like button or subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends. I love you all.